Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix Google Chrome lag and being slow. And I will show you two solutions how you can fix this. Alright, first of all, open your Google Chrome and then right here click on the three dots and go to settings. Then right here we go to system, and I found out that if you turn off the use graphics acceleration when available, that your Google Chrome will be a lot faster. So turn this one off, do relaunch. And right now, if you open a YouTube or whatever, you see that it's real quicker than it was before. So right now, if it's still not working, what we can do is go to your YouTube extensions and make sure that you turn off almost all the extensions. Then after that, relaunch it again, and now the problem will be solved. If it's not, please comment that below. Maybe I can help you out with something different, but this is exactly how you can fix Google Chrome lag and being slow. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.